Hey viewers out there, welcome to my channel CS Master Tech Tips. My course right here is gonna cover web development. So this is for absolute beginners who wants to get into the industry or who wants to learn how to code. This course will give you the fundamental knowledge on how to build a web app. So in my course, I have picked three languages. One is HTML, CSS, and a programming language called C#. So let's dive into the course. So in our course, we're going to cover how to build web pages and style web pages, and also make web pages interact with data. And also we're gonna build an to-do list web application. So that way you will have the fundamental knowledge on how to use these technologies to build such an application. So the outcome from this course, I hope the viewers will learn how to build a web application using these three technologies. And also viewers will also learn the basic HTML tags needed to build the application, CSS for styling the application, and also how to code like the basic operations such as add, edit, delete, and view data in this web application. So as a prerequisite, you don't have to know HTML, CSS, and programming, but I will try my best to cover the basic tags in this in HTML and CSS. In HTML, and also basic styling in CSS, as well as the basic programming knowledge needed to build this to-do list application. So in our next video, I will talk about how to set up the basic environment to build this web application. At the meantime, like my video, subscribe, or if you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you.